Right now we're gonna check out the work of Nico Wright. So I think I found one of their sketches first via Pinterest, and I want to find that specific one because thankfully someone linked their page. You know what? They kind of remind me of my Intuos quite a bit. The quick, fast kind of drawing style, or the lines. It has a gestural vibe to it. Also, you know, nips. Oh, this one. I found this one on Twitter, or not Twitter, Pinterest. Wow. So this was posted 7 years ago, but it's still good. So we're gonna review each one, right? Because we're gonna have to. Look at that. It's so efficient, energetic, gestural. Yeah, I think my Intuos is like the best guy to recommend. Oh, this was like a montage, a collage of different sketches. Now you can tell they are exaggerating the anatomy a bit, but that's what makes it cool. It's what you exaggerate or what you choose to emphasize, exaggerate, simplify. That's what makes you you. And what makes your art style recognizable. Is that Santa? Santa Claus is freaking jacked. Oh wow, those legs look really good. Right? Is the anatomy that complex? No. But it feels like it has... Oh, look at those stirrup leggings. Look at it. It's some kind of succubus, maybe? Look at the way the hand was drawn too. Very simple. Interesting. So they're quite experimental with their... Oh, daily sketches. I'm guessing one sketch a day? Ish? It's not that detailed, but at the same time it looks complete. And I'm guessing it's because they do add color and some shadows. I like the way the feet and the hands are drawn. Look at how simple that is. It's very, very similar to how my Intuos or my Intuos. Oh, and Lullaby something. They're very similar in that way. This one is giving like cyberpunk energy. Even the environment is kind of sketchy, but it looks good. And the brushwork, do you see any like texture brushes? No, they're quite simple brushes. But that's all you need, right? Oh, Nico Wright or exogeon. Exogeon. Oh yeah. Wait, I think we did review this artist. Because I remember this. Yeah, I think we did. No fucking way. Let me just recheck something. If we did, it doesn't matter. We'll review it again. Because I don't think we were able to check out those sketches anyway. But I want to make sure. Oh, we did. 2 months ago? It's okay. We'll do it again. So I guess, so we have, oh shit, 125 daily sketches? Oh my god. For a half a year. Or two. So both of these are from 2019. Yeah, I guess we were not able to explore. Oh, they do have an, I think we reviewed their Instagram account in the last art review of theirs. So this is the part 2 of their 2019 daily sketches. Again, posted 7 years ago, but to me it's still good. Very gestural, very loose. Oh fuck, where are we? Oh, we're here. Oh, sorry. Look at her. And notice how they're not even working on the background often. Maybe they'll have like one piece here and there, but you can tell what their focus is. And what you focus on is what you will get better on. Oh, knowledge. And to me, it just shows me you have to lock in. Like, pick an area you want to focus on and just have no shame. Oh, wow. Some rendering a bit. I like this look where you do more looser sketches. A quick gestural sketch, but you do invest some time painting underneath. It just has a nice vibe to it. It's like piercing through the freaking clothing. Oh my god. Oh, god. Like, this is my dream. Kind of looks like Freeren. Wow. Maybe even Eliza. Because I know Eliza likes drawing in this like loose way as well. But traditionally in pencil. And the face here kind of reminds me of some drawings of, or the style of, he does like comic art. Schmidt. Otto Schmidt. Look at how many lines were used for the legs. Not much, but it's good enough, right? The hands. How it's so simple, but it works. Even the shoes. Like, it's so simplified, but it's like sexy, right? Oh wow. It's not, obviously they're stylizing it a lot. It's not that realistic, but the emotion, the energy, it's just there. Nice legs. Oh, this one they're painting or drawing in a light gray background, and they're painting in the lighter values. Imagine a sketchbook full of these. Now this one's a lot more developed-ish, or it looks developed only because there's a lot of color underneath, but I think most of the lines are still on the outside, or sorry, on top of all of the colors. So I guess adding more stuff, more colors, more values underneath the line sketch, even if it's a gestural sketch, it just makes it look more full. But this is the style you want to draw, like kind of. Obviously, we will all end up drawing in our own way, but I like the way this artist draws. Right? So simple, and yet so elegant. Oh no! Such a waste. Then she like pierces through her body with her hand. She could be like a robot or some kind of vampire. Look at that, pretty cool. They're so similar to my input wow. In terms of like the sketch style. Let's just review their old. So we did review these ones, I think. Look at this chick. Oh my god. The nice feet. These ones are more fuller and they look a bit different. Oh, look at them feet. I'm sorry. Jesus. Right? Like you can tell this dress is on its own layer and then they added like a drop shadow. Very cool concept or approach. God damn. It's so like experimental. Maybe not, it's diverse, I'll say that. Like it's a bunch of techniques. And it looks good. I think it fits. I like how the character, the main thing you're trying to focus on, obviously this elf, they have the lines, but everything outside of that is a shape. So you don't see any like contour lines, it's all just, it's like visual development kind of art style. I think it's a good mix. Look at them dogs. Oh my god, right? But I think last time we were not able to see the sketches. Right? Kind of like this. There's just something about it. Not that many hatch lines, are focusing more on gesture, exaggerating the shapes. Even we could even talk about or mention Max Greke or Greg, Pixmilk as well. They kind of have similar drawing styles when it comes to drawing the figure, where they exaggerate quite a bit. Even my Nips or Onips or Art by Nips. I mean, look at these thighs, crazy. But it, or yeah, Lullaby as well. She has some kind of power. Yeah, I want to draw a lot of sketches in this kind of format. You know, I'm gonna like this to be safe. So what we're gonna do, I mean, look at this, right? And the brush they're using to draw, it's just like a basic round brush. It has opacity, so it's not that crazy. Again, it shows you that you don't need much to draw, to paint, to render, to sketch. No freaking excuses. Wow. Oftentimes they like mix in the fingers and they focus more on like the silhouette, and that's enough. Interesting, the lower part is just gray and they just simply colored the upper torso. Yeah, maybe some are like fan art, some are like original, who knows. Who cares about being anatomically accurate? Just make our characters look hot and cool. Yes, I actually do agree. That to be crazy, I mostly do fan art of already existing characters. Do whatever, original art, fan art. I know some people don't like fan art because it's apparently not original, but who cares, you know? Same thing with the anatomy. Some people get too picky with the proportions, but unless they're asking for it, if they're asking, oh, how can I improve my proportions? Sure, then you can say something, but correcting each thing, for example, oh, why is the waist so small? I mean, dude, it's a drawing, right? Relax, chill out. But are these original? I don't know. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. To me, it's just cool.